This is Featherweight 222K, which means K were made in United Kingdom. And some features about this machine is the free arm, so it's good for hemming or darning because this lever take down the feed dog, which is different compared with the Featherweight 221. The 221 doesn't have the free arm and doesn't have the drop off feed dog lever. So this is a very nice feature for hemming. Another good thing is okay, this machine works with 220 volts, and this is a converter from 110 to 220. You can remove your motor with this screw and replace the belt right here. The belt is not too tight. Has to be adjusted very loose like this, because the motor is running smoothly, so the belt is running loose. Also, you can check the carbon brushes, removing this cover and the bottom cover. So there are two covers where inside are the carbon brushes. You can see if the carbon brushes are gone or they are still working. Another good thing is remove the cover and remove this too, so you can lubricate the mechanism inside. On all the holes right here and right there. And this cover protects some gears inside. Just removing this screw, you take off this cover and can be lubricated. So put back the base, and now it's ready to sew. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel or my social media. Also like the video, so this helps to find more people who will be interested on this kind of video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.